Wash day. A day a lot of us dread but can avoid. I'm looking through my products to find my shampoo. The ORS olive oil creamy aloe shampoo infused with aloe vera for rejuvenating moisture. And the worst thing just happened. It's finished. It's empty. What am I supposed to do now? I dragged myself into this bathroom to wash my hair. Wait, I could try my conditioner and co-wash. The ORS olive oil strengthen and nourish replenishing conditioner infused with sweet orange oil for rejuvenating moisture. That should work. I apply a generous amount into my hair and I can already feel it getting super soft. You can never have too much conditioner. It makes detangling with a wide tooth comb so easy. I leave that on for a few minutes, then wash it out. My hair feels so soft and conditioned. It doesn't feel dry at all. This conditioner definitely just saved me. This was a successful co-wash.